Hi everyone, I am Adi Narayanan from CSE department in Aruna Engineering College. Our framework is Energy Transformation. My team members are Anbar Hassan, Muhammad Ashik. Team mentor name is Mr. S. Mohanarangan, Assistant Professor CSE. Our domain is Renewable Energy. Problem statement: we can effective utilization of heat energy. We can avoid the transmission and distribution losses when electricity travels over power lines, reduce cost efficiencies implementation, and then conserve natural resources.
My idea. The basic building block of a thermoelectric generator is a thermocouple. A thermocouple is made up of P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor or connected electrically in series. This prototype is based on seatback effect. The movement of charge carriers within semiconductor or electrons in N-type semiconductor and holes in P-type semiconductor. When the external heat is applied to the hot side of the TEC module, the charge carriers diffuse away from the hot side of the semiconductor. This diffusion leads to buildup of charge carriers at the cold end that creates a voltage potential. Voltage directly proportional to temperature difference. When the temperature difference increases, power output also increases. Operational diagram. This is our operational diagram of our prototype.
Prerequisite.
This is TEC1 and 1270 FITS model to generate electricity. This is metal plate used for transfer the heat to module. Thermal paste is used for cool the other side of module. Camper for heating the metal. This prototype based on Seebeck effect. This is flowchart for our prototype. Applied thermal paste at cold side thermoelectric. Applied heat source at hot side thermoelectric at the same time. Hot electrons move towards the cold side and cold electrons move towards the hot side. Thermoelectric capture the heat and convert directly into electricity.
Advantages. There is no moving parts, so it is solid state construction, long term thermal stability and safe storage. There is no electric noise, easy installation and low cost and low maintenance. Applications. We can also generate electricity from burning camper or fire lamp in temple. Industries including medical, oil, gas, automotive. It is used to energy source for sensors, valve solenoids, actuators, hot water pipes and camping stove. In campfire, we can use air filter for reducing pollution.
Hi everyone. This is thermoelectric connector in series. This is multimeter for checking voltage. This is chamber for firing. Now let's see the demo. Igniting the chamber. The electricity is generated by thermoelectric cooler. Multimeter shows the voltage of the electricity generated by thermoelectric cooler by firing the chamber. You can also use fire lamp under the module attached with the metal plate. It generates electricity higher than the chamber. You can explore more projects on www.arunai.org/ideathon. Thank you.